Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine and launching the tool correctly. First, back up critical files so you can restore if something goes wrong. This saves time later. Once done, free at least 20 GB on C to avoid installer interruptions and check for pending restarts. Make sure to reboot if needed. Then right-click the Update Assistant and choose Run as Administrator so it has the rights to modify system files, and watch for immediate error messages that guide the next steps. Next, you tackle conflicts that block the update. Start the Windows Update Troubleshooter and apply every recommended fix. It often resets services and clears cache. Then, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and remove external drives to prevent driver or file lock conflicts. If the assistant still fails, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupt system files. These commands fix the underlying causes. Finally, you complete the installation and confirm stability. After the assistant begins, restart when prompted and allow each phase to finish without interruption. Forcing power off can corrupt Windows. If the process stalls, boot into safe mode and rerun the Update Assistant or switch to the Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade. That bypasses many installer issues. Make sure to review update history and device drivers after completion, and if problems persist, roll back the most recent drivers as a quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.